Number 17. So the du is just a 2, and that might be confusing you. This problem could actually be done without u sub. You could just divide by the derivative of the inside, since the derivative of the inside is just a constant. But since they asked us to use u sub, we will. So I don't have the 2 that I need. I'm going to put that here and bounce it out with a 1/2. Okay? Now, rewrite everything. The 1/2 comes down. The integral comes down. And the 2 and the dx together make du. And then this is the square root of u. So we have the square root of u du. Okay? And now your bounds. Remember, these are x bounds. So plugging in that x is 0 right here, I'll get that u is 1. Hello, dog. And that was my very well-behaved dog when he sees a raccoon. Fair enough, I say. Okay, where was I? Okay. If these are x bounds, you might want to write down u equals when you change them to u bounds. So if x is 0, then u is going to be 1. So you can write u equals 1. Even though that's not really the way you write it, normally just put a 1 there. Writing u equals 1 reminds you that you have to plug it back into u. Don't go back to x. Okay, now we're going to plug in that x is 4. Well, if x is 4 right here, then we're going to get 8 plus 1, u will be 9. Now, again, solve everything in terms of u, and you don't have to go back to x at all. So we have a u to the 1/2 power right here. Integrate, bring down this 1/2. We have u to the, if we add 1, we'd get 3/2. Dividing by 3/2 is the same as multiplying by 2/3. Evaluated from u equals 1 to u equals 9. Okay? So the 2's cancel, and I get 1/3 u to the 3/2 from 1 to 9. Plugging in the 9, remember you're going to do the square root and then cube it. So 9 to the 3/2. Try to do it in your head. This is your root lower to the ground like a root in a tree. And this is your exponent. You're going to do the square root of 9, which is 3, and then cube it, and you'll get 27. Minus 1/3. Now we're plugging in a 1. Well, 1 to any power is still 1. So this ends up being 9 minus 1/3. Or we could have left it 27/3 minus 1/3. Either way, you get 26/3. Or you could have gotten 8 2/3. Either way, same thing. Okay? So hopefully that helps.